defaming the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, is a kind of kufr. If that is done by a Muslim, then it is apostasy on his part, and the authorities have to defend the cause of Allah and His Messenger, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, by executing the one who defamed him. If the one who defamed him repents openly and is sincere, that will benefit him before Allah, although his repentance does not waive the punishment for defaming the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, which is execution. If the person who defames him is a non-Muslim living under a treaty with the Muslim state, then this is a violation of the treaty and he must be executed, but that should be left to the authorities. If a Muslim hears a Christian or anyone else defaming the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, he has to denounce him in strong terms. It is permissible to insult that person because he is the one who started it. How can we not stand up the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him? It is also obligatory to report him to the authorities who can carry out the punishment on him. If there is no one who can carry out the had punishment of Allah and stand up for the Messenger, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, then the Muslim has to do whatever he can, so long as that will not lead to further mischief and harm against other people. But if a Muslim hears a kafir defaming the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, and he keeps quiet and does not respond for fear that this person may then defame him even more, this is mistaken thinking. With regard to the verse, "And insult not those whom they, disbelievers, worship besides Allah, lest they insult Allah wrongfully without knowledge." This does not apply in cases where they defame Allah and His Messenger, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, first. Rather, what is meant is that it is forbidden to insult the gods of the mushrikeen first, lest they insult Allah out of ignorance and enmity on the part. But if they insult Allah and His Messenger, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, first, then we must respond and punish them so as to deter them from the kufr and enmity. If we leave the kufr and atheists to say whatever they want without denouncing it or punishing them, great mischief will result, which is something that these kufr love. No attention should be paid to the one who says that insulting or responding to insults will make him more stubborn. The Muslim has to have a sense of protective jealousy and get angry for the sake of Allah and His Messenger, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. Whoever hears the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, being insulted and does not feel any protective jealousy or get angry is not a true believer. We seek refuge with Allah from humility, kufr and obeying the shaitan.